maybe you are planning a party for your friend. Maybe this is like a Thanksgiving get-together. It could literally be anything. But we're going to talk about how to do it quickly, organized, and such that you are not going to be stressed and the party or the event is going to be awesome. So I'm going to just, as per usual, make this up. Let's say... Beautiful. Okay. Okay, so let's get it started. I think the first thing that is important is to make an inline database in Notion or something equivalent to that in whatever platform you may be using. So this is essentially like a task backlog. And then I'm also going to make a section up here with sort of the main kind of like details with regard to the party or the meetup. So let's do location. Just going to duplicate this time. So you could type it out here. I am not going to make it an address, but yeah, so insert address here. Okay, so hypothetically, this would be maybe if these people use Notion, you could put a person, but I'm going to kind of go off of the and just assume that, like, you know, maybe you are doing this for a big group and not everybody uses Notion. I've done this before, and I'll just like send a screenshot of this or download it as a PDF and send it to the involved people just so that they don't have to like struggle with like sign in and everything like that. Gonna make this like a really like souped up Thanksgiving, of course. I really don't know what else people eat, like, just making this up, but obviously instead of the person you would say like their name. What you could also do if you wanted to just combine this, I feel like that would almost be easier if you just combined these. So it'd be like so, you know, if these people have already confirmed that they are coming and they're going to be able to bring said items, then you could just like check those off, and it's really easy to see like which ones you still have open and need to work on. Yeah, so that's like a really simple one. You could even, if you wanted to make this into like a more fulsome invite, you could even have like sort of like a note to guests or something like that. So yeah, technically anybody that's confirmed could go in here as a confirmed attendee. Here you have your tasks and RSVPs, so everything is nice and laid out. If you wanted to put a priority level, you could put certain items as urgent. You could add a note section. Etc. So yeah, super simple, This is how I would set something like this up in Notion. Obviously, you can make it a lot more complex, but as usual, trying to keep it kind of like concise and to the point. Don't want to overcomplicate anything. But yeah, like this could double as an invite. You could simply use this as a sort of like project management tool to kind of get everybody on the same page. If you do have people using Notion, you could press the share button and make sure that you share it via a link. Or if you press these three dots here, you are able to just simply export it as a PDF, and it is literally so simple. You can just email it to people.